This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Attention all citizens, this is a dire emergency. The corruption virus outbreak has reached catastrophic levels, and the rate of individuals being corrupted has increased significantly. Additionally, the corruption has mutated once again, and some corrupted individuals have been observed forming blades and tendrils from the sludge covering their bodies. This mutation makes these corrupted individuals even more dangerous, and all citizens are urged to evacuate immediately. The remaining states that have not been overrun by the virus are California, Oregon, Utah, Nevada, Alaska, and Hawaii. The government is working tirelessly to provide transportation and resources for all citizens who need to evacuate. However, time is of the essence, and all citizens are instructed to evacuate as quickly as possible. Regrettably, we must also inform you that the President of the United States has been corrupted by the corruption virus. We urge all citizens to put their safety first and evacuate immediately. The situation is extremely dangerous, and we cannot stress enough the urgency of the situation. If you are unable to evacuate, it is imperative that you seek shelter and do not come into contact with any corrupted individuals. Remember, run, and do not look back. The military is doing everything possible to protect and evacuate remaining survivors. We will keep you informed as the situation develops. This is the last communication we can provide at this time. Evacuate immediately.